Now I plot a relationship between the amount paid toward interest and the amount paid toward principal against the number of payments. First, select these two cells. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Scroll up. Click Insert tab. Charts group. Click Recommended Charts. Click All Charts tab. Click Combo Chart. To select interest payment values in a line chart, click Clustered Column arrow button. Select Line Chart. Check the interest payment secondary axis. Click OK. Adjust the position of chart. Click Chart Styles button. Scroll down. Select this chart styles. Select blue color lines. Interest payment values are highlighted. So blue color line shows the interest payment values. Select orange color lines. Principal payment values are highlighted. So orange color line shows the principal payment values. Lower part of blue line shows that earlier payments are directed more toward the interest. Move your pointer on point 1. It shows value $379.17. But the upper part of blue line shows that small amount of later payments are directed toward interest. Move your pointer on point 106. It shows value $63.05. Lower part of orange line shows that later payments are directed more toward the principal. Move your pointer on point 114. It shows value $724.59. But the upper part of orange line shows that small amount of earlier payments are directed toward principal. Move your pointer on point 1. It shows value $375.54.